Hey there, and welcome back to Edge of Entrepreneurs. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that's particularly relevant for aspiring entrepreneurs in the e-commerce world. Let me introduce you to Sarah. Meet Sarah. She's a passionate and creative individual living right here in the heart of New York City. With a background in business management and years of experience in the fashion industry, Sarah has a dream to start her own online clothing store.
I've always been fascinated by the world of fashion. And I want to share my love for it with the world. That's why I'm embarking on this exciting journey of launching my online clothing store.
But here's the catch. Like many entrepreneurs out there, Sarah is faced with a crucial decision, choosing the right platform for her online store. There are so many options out there, but two of the most popular choices are Shopify and WooCommerce.
I'm determined to make my dream a reality. And with the right information, I know I can make the best choice for my online store. So, let's dive into it.
Don't miss the comparison table at the end of the video. First up, let's talk about when Sarah should consider adopting Shopify. User-friendly experience. Sarah values an easy and straightforward setup. Shopify's user-friendly interface makes it a top choice for beginners. It offers professionally designed themes and a user-friendly admin panel. All-in-one solution. If Sarah prefers an all-in-one solution, Shopify handles hosting, security, and updates for you. No need to worry about technical details. Just focus on your business. Scalability. Shopify is great for scalability. Whether Sarah's store has 10 products or 1,000, Shopify can handle it thanks to its robust infrastructure. Now, let's explore when Sarah should lean towards WooCommerce. Full control and customization. Sarah is a tech enthusiast and wants full control. WooCommerce, built on WordPress, is highly customizable. You can tweak every aspect of your store to your heart's content. Cost flexibility. Budget matters? WooCommerce is budget-friendly. It's free to use, but Sarah needs to consider hosting, themes, and plugins costs. Advanced blogging and SEO. If Sarah plans to run an advanced blog alongside her store, WooCommerce. Integration with WordPress offers powerful SEO capabilities and extensive blogging options. As Sarah, you'll need to weigh these factors carefully based on your goals and skills. Remember, Shopify and WooCommerce both have thriving communities and support options. Your choice depends on factors like your budget, tech savviness, and customization needs.
Thank you very much. This information is really helpful in building my online shop.
That's a wrap on our Shopify versus WooCommerce comparison. We hope this helps you, Sarah, and anyone else considering these platforms for their online store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.